Larsa Marie Pippen is an American businesswoman, socialite, and reality television personality. She is an original main cast member on Bravo's reality TV series The Real Housewives of Miami, appearing since its premiere in 2011, rejoining in 2021. Pippen was born on July 6, 1974, to Assyrian parents. Her mother is from Lebanon and her father is from Syria. She was raised in Chicago, Illinois. In February 2011, The Real Housewives of Miami debuted its first season, featuring Pippen alongside Lee Black, Adriana De Maura, Alexia Napola, Marisol Patton and Christy Rice as they balanced their personal and professional lives, following a work hard, play hard lifestyle whilst living in Miami, Florida. Pippen departed the first season after only 7 episodes, reportedly due to her being too level-headed for the Miami Housewives cast. The show ended after its 3rd season due to the declining ratings leading up to the reunion. After Bravo reran the first 3 seasons of show in 2020, rumors circulated in November 2020 of a potential 4th season. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.